Okay, on this beautiful overcast day, we have decided to go to Helton Creek Falls. This is one of the first falls I ever found when I was like 16 years old, and nobody knew it was here then.
And I had never been here until our first date.
So yeah, I brought her out in the middle of the woods on our first date. It's amazing that she's still with me. So come along with us down to Helton Creek Falls, and we're gonna be loving the real world.
So we're leaving Gainesville and going over Blood Mountain to Helton Creek Falls. 1 hour and 9 minutes to get there. Once you top Blood Mountain and start down the other side, you'll see the sign on the right hand side, Helton Creek Falls. You'll be able to turn down this narrow asphalt road. There's some houses down here, and then it will turn into dirt. The road will be wide in some areas and very narrow in others. One thing to keep in mind, when you're driving in the mountains and you're on the drop-off side of the road and you meet a car coming in the opposite direction, if there's room, slowly pass. If it's very close, make sure you pull over as far as you can without endangering yourself, and then stop. Let the other car pass you on the hillside, and that way you stay safe. Sometimes it may be best if somebody gets out of the car and guides you to make sure that you're not too close or the road is washed out. The last thing you want to do is have to call everything auto. Well, parking here is to a minimum also. That's another thing to remember. So get here early and watch out for snakes.
Okay, we got little wires up here to keep you from falling off now. I thought those were spider webs. That's a big stuff there. Oh, look at this, baby.
I have that when I did.
Well, we made it to the upper falls of Helton Creek Falls. It's a beautiful area. A lot of people out here swimming.
If you've never been to Helton Creek, it's definitely a place to check out. Very easy trail, old folks rating of maybe a 3. And then, on top of that, next week we go to Cartersville and check out the Savoy Auto Museums. Yeah, I know I've been letting y'all down. We're going to look at some really nice cars. So until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.